Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for 5 sign Leo. This is weekly reading. This reading is from July 18th to July 24th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So Leo, let's see your recent past. So your recent past, Leo. 8 of Swords, Ace of Wands, 10 of Cups. I think in past your person could be stuck or you could be, but later on there is some moment because Ace of Wands, new beginnings already happened between both of you, or if not happened, they will going to be happen because 10 of Cups, you both want this happiness with each other, or your person want this happiness with you in past. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or a Pisces, Leo, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. Leo, what is going on your connection right now? Seven of Pentacles. Oh, lot of readings. Seven of Cups. The Moon. What is going between both of you? Your person could be Pisces. I think you both fantasizing about each other, or your person could be fantasizing about you a lot. I think one person invests in this connection more than the other person. There are some issues are going between both of you right now because one person hides something from the other person. Or one person have options. This could be third party also. That's why there are some issues are happening right now. Because one person is very serious in this connection, but the other person have options. So let's see your person near future actions towards you, Leo. Patience. 2 times 7 of Pentacles. The Lovers. Your person could be Gemini. Okay. Thunderbolt means tower. Yes, you both love each other because the lover is there, the lovers, but patience is needed in this connection because some tower moment is going to be happen in this connection. See here, all the building crashing down. Definitely there is some tower moment is going to be happen, or it is already happening between both of you, but after that they realize you both the lovers because there is so much love between both of you. Patience plays key role in this connection. So let's see some more clarity. Let's pull some cards from universe for final message. Leo. Totality, 5 of Wands. Fighting, and Ripeness, 9 of Pentacles. I think one person after the tower moment feeling independent. Projection, 7 of Cups, 2 times. One person seeing options, sorrow, and one person feeling very sorrow without you. I think there is love between both of you, but right now patience is the only key because there are a lot of issues. Projections, I think your person fantasizing about you a lot and they are sad without you for some, because there are some fightings. I think one person stand by their power and they're feeling like independent, 9 of Pentacles. So in near future your person maybe come towards you, but it will take time because there are no action cards here right now, because some tower moment after they feeling sad and they fantasizing about you, but they will come towards you because to 7 of Pentacles is here, patience. So when they will come, it depends upon your situation. Right now this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.